zero backlog. No? For me, we finished all the items for 2024. No? So, wala nang trabaho in this year pertaining to items already, the past items. We made sure na matapos yung lahat. Pero of course, siguro when you talk of some of the developments like in mga condo subdivision, it takes time kasi there's a lot of things to comply with. So some of them might still be continuing. But for the landmark ordinances, matapos na. So we can now entertain the new ones coming in more efficiently kasi we will focus on the new ones anymore. No old items to focus on and use up time of the committee chairman of the different committees.
Thank you, Vice.